2, 1.
So, Shalom, Ani Aslan. So, we're gonna learn in part 2 in animals. Here. So, this is Sawyer D. Moranville. That's Papa's teacher. Let's go.
Start
now,
with.
okay, start with Caleb. Dog.
Okay.
Caleb. Okay. So, I will teach you the letters.
Okay.
So, this is let's go. So that's the cough. Cough to feet.
Oh, this is cough.
Yeah, it's cough. Cough. You know this now, that's the eh. This is the lamed.
What's the sound of the lamed?
It's like letter N.
Okay.
This is the
Oh, the sound of the bed.
B.
V.
V.
Okay.
That's
So,
the V.
how you
Do
read
you
that?
remember the bet that you can transform it to V?
Okay.
V to B.
Okay.
To V.
So how do you read that?
Caleb.
Caleb. Okay.
It's
What's a Caleb?
a dog. It's
Dog.
a dog.
Okay.
It's a
And this one.
stray dog.
What's that? That one. What is this?
Tel Aviv. So many dogs. So this is the other one over. What's happened? So this is the singular dog and this is the plural dog.
Kela.
Tel Aviv.
Tel Aviv. Okay. Next. Oops. This one. What is this?
Oh. Arnebet. Arnebet. Arnebet.
Okay. R. Okay. Tell them the letters.
Okay, but they already know the
That's
dog.
okay.
Okay,
You
that's okay.
teach. It's not always
So
teach.
this is the Aleph.
Aleph.
It's silent. That's why it's silent.
It's silent. But why did you say ah? Where's the ah?
Because did you know like it's not a minus sign but it looks like minus
Ah,
sign.
okay, that's
So it's a minus sign. It's like that. So the both of them, the letter T like that and also the minus sign, they're the same ah.
okay. So that's ah. Okay.
Okay. So this is the resh.
What's
This
the
is the letter R. Do you remember? We learned that in the first part of the animals.
Okay.
That letter.
So how do you read that one? How do you read that one?
Read it.
Yeah, this one.
R.
R. Okay.
Nebet.
R.
R.
And then
Nebet.
why do you say ne?
Nebet. Because there's like a tree.
What's this letter?
Oh, that's letter N. That's Nun.
Nun.
You
Okay.
can write some
Okay.
drawings if you want.
Okay, that's nun.
Nun.
So and then what is this? The tree.
Oh, the tree like that. It's the E.
Eh. Okay. So, eh. Okay. So R. Ne.
Nebet.
And then the next one is
Bet.
this is
Bet.
Ben. Why? What is this?
Oh, that's the pet.
Huh?
The pet.
No.
Oh, the tub.
Tav.
Tub.
What's the sound of tav? Ta. Ta. Okay.
Tav.
Arnebet.
Arnebet. So
Arnebet.
can you show the picture so
Okay,
they know
that's
what's
a-
arnebet? It's a hare.
It's a hare. It's a
Yeah,
rabbit.
a rabbit.
Okay.
A bunny, a rabbit, or a hare.
Okay. Let's go here.
Let's go here first.
Okay. Up the one.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
in this
Okay. What is this? What is this?
Oh, that's a wolf.
Wolf? Okay.
Oh,
Wolf
that's
or a
three
fox?
dogs. Maybe
A wolf or a fox?
a wolf because
Wolf?
the fox is in the neck.
Okay. So you read that one.
What's it called again? Oh,
Az-
the
az-
M.
Ze'ev. It's a Zion. It's a letter Z.
Yeah, that's the Zayin.
Ze'ev.
The M.
So there's no sound here.
Yeah. So what do you have? Can see that.
What is that?
That's the X.
Letter A.
So can you draw in the other one that the three points like that?
Okay. So this one is an A.
And then
This
the other one here.
is an E.
And then the other one here.
That one is this one.
No, not that. This
Okay.
one.
This one.
The
Okay.
two.
That one.
Yeah.
That's a Shiva.
Shiva. And then what's the other one? The one point like that.
That's Hirik.
Okay. So now I'm gonna teach you this like that. So this is
Okay.
So that's the E. It's letter E.
Ah,
Letter like letter E.
like
Eh.
that one.
Letter E.
I'm gonna give them an example. Example like that.
So that is V.
There. Okay. Okay. And how about
Oh yeah. This
that
one,
one?
the two layers like that, the 2 point, the two period like that. It's the E. It's also E. So they are the same. This one,
That's
the two period like that, and the 3 period like that are the same.
okay. Same sound.
Yeah, the same sound. They're E. E. You just remove the other period here.
Okay.
So there are equals.
Okay. Equals.
And then this one, yay! That's what's the sound of this again?
Shiva. It's a quick like this one. Z. This one.
It's also there. So the three of them are the same.
Almost the same sound, but this one is very fast, very quick.
Z. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's very quick. Okay. So this one. This one is.
That's the headache.
This one.
Yeah, we're gonna have that like this.
Yeah, the headache. Let's go back here.
Okay, let's go back.
It's the headache. So that's the letter E. E.
E.
E. It's letter I. E.
Okay.
E. E.
Okay. So how do you read that one?
That is Ze'ev.
Zev. Then
Ze'evim.
Zevim.
Yay!
Okay. And then last. Ooh, what is this?
Oh yeah, that's. I think that's the lion.
Okay, so how do you read this one?
R. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so that's why you say this is silent. Silent.
Yeah.
But it has a vowel.
The vowel, the
And
the
then.
the vowel sounds is like the A E I O U.
Okay.
A E O.
And then R. It one has no sound because it's in the middle.
Yeah.
So it has no sound.
There's no sound. It's silent like that.
Okay, so R. And
R.
then what is this? What letter is
R.
this?
Yeah.
What letter is that?
Oh yeah. That's just yod.
Yod. Sound is
Y.
E.
Y.
Okay.
Letter Y.
Okay. And then
That is the two. I already did that.
Okay, and then this one.
That's the ha. The
Hey.
he.
Hey.
So did you know there's two kinds of he? The other one is the he.
He. He.
Yeah, it's not. Can you draw it here? That's the he that is it's straight like that.
That's not a hey. It's a het. Het. Ha. Het.
He.
Okay.
So that is straight like that. You don't have like a line here. It's like a cut here.
Okay.
There's so that.
Okay. So that's it. That's the 4. Okay. Okay. We'll be back.
Bye. See you. Shalom. So next time we're gonna learn this.
We're gonna learn the horse and the camel. Okay.
Okay.